In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 403. Okay, so first is you just have to go to the search icon and then kindly type Task Manager. Okay, and then click Open. Now, what you're going to do here is to simply search for Roblox and make sure that this is not running. Okay, it's not running. So you just have to type R, or you can scroll down and look for Roblox or anything that is related to Roblox here. You have to tap, right click, and end task. Let's just say this one is Roblox, okay? Tap, right click, and then end task. As easy as that. So do this to any applications here or anything that is related to Roblox here. Second thing to do is to go to the search icon again, type run, click open, and then kindly enter person symbol, app data person symbol, and then click OK. Now here, what you're going to do is just simply go to app data and then click local. Now you have to scroll down and look for Roblox. And then once you found it, all you have to do is tap and then delete. Okay, so third thing to do is to go back to your search icon and then kind of look for settings. Okay, tap this one. Go to network and internet. And then if you are connected to VPN, to a VPN, what you're going to do is to simply turn this one off. Okay, make sure that you are not connected to any VPN because one of the reasons why you encounter some problems while playing Roblox, it's because you are connected to a VPN. Next is reinstall Roblox. Go to Roblox and click any of experiences here. Tap this green button and then click download and install. Then after that, you will see it right above that Roblox is now downloading. All you have to do is to go to download folder, right click, and then run as administrator. Now next is go to the search icon again and then go to firewall and network protection. Tap this one. And then here, what you're going to do is just simply click allow an app through firewall. Tap this. Now here you have to go to change settings and then scroll down and look for Roblox and make sure that the two boxes here, private and public, both are checked. Okay, now click OK. And then after that, you can go back to your Roblox and then see if any of this method work again. If not, the very last thing to do is to go to Roblox status and see if Roblox is not working smoothly or not working well today. Okay, as you can see, everything is okay. So the problem happened yesterday and last week, last month, but today Roblox is okay. So if that's the case, then you have to restart your computer and try to open Roblox again. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.